Guys, welcome to the next video of important digital asset maths concept and tricks. I'm going to solve important triangle problem which includes both ratios and different kind of concept about smallest side and smallest angle. So in the question, a triangle has an interior angle with measure in the ratio 4 is to 8 is to 12 is given. So if the shortest side of the triangle is 6, what is the length of the second longest side? Okay, now first, we have to learn a concept about the smallest side and smallest angle, shortest angle and shortest side. Okay, let us assume this. So we have a triangle here. So for a triangle, if this is the smallest angle, then this side will be the smallest side or the shortest side. The side opposite to the smallest angle will always be the shortest side in a triangle. We have to remember this in our uh, exam day. So let us assume this as 4x. As ratio is given in 4 is to 8 is to 12. Okay, so this will be the smallest side, which is 6. My figure is not accurate, so don't go into geometry, just grab the concept. Okay, and this side let us assume as 8x, and this will be the uh, second longest side, and let us assume that as L, and let us say this is as 12x. So this will be the longest side, LS. So after that, we know the sum of three interior angle of triangle equals to 180 degree. X plus 8x plus 12x equals to 180 degree, which becomes 24x equals to 180 degree. That means x equals to 15 upon 15 by 2. Yes. So after solving for x, after solving for x, we have to find 4x equals to 30, 4 into x, 8x equals to 60, and 12x equals to 90. So, which means this is a right angle triangle. Now, now let us say this is our new modified version of triangle. This is 90 degree, which is 12x. This was 90 degree, and this is the longest side, which is hypotenuse. And this is the shortest side, and this is 4x, which is 30 degree. And this is 60 degree respectively. So this is 6 as according to question, and this is the side that we have to find. Now after this, uh, let's use the trigonometry ratio of tan theta. That means let us say theta equals to 60 degree. Tan 60 equals to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular in this case becomes our the second longest side, and base is 6. So after solving for 6 times tan 60 means root 3 equals to p, and in this case p is this. So our answer is 6 root 3. The length of the second longest side is 6 root 3, which corresponds to option A. So using the concept of shortest side and smallest angle, we can solve this kind of problem in digital asset. So never forget this concept and subscribe for more such concepts and tricks. Thank you.